Alright, I'm gonna go on a little adventure today. Might take a little hike and get out in the wilderness for a little while. Right, off I go. Ready to have some light lunch here. Philly cheesesteak, some sweet potato fries. We're out at Pipestem Park, and we're going to go burn this off here in a little bit by doing an advanced hike up some steep terrain. So we will see you in a bit. Getting ready to take a trail today. We're going to go on County Line Trail right here below me, and it goes down about 1,100 feet of elevation, and of course going down will be the easy part. We got to come back up that 1,100 feet, so we're going to get started and see if we can get this trail knocked out. So let's go. Mushroom's cool, right? Oh, and that right in the eye again, left eye. Mother, I'm so sick of gnats flying in my left eye. That's 4 like in 2 days.
Sorry.
Oh. People been going down to it there. Do not lean on the rail, huh? Oh. So we're headed back to the trailhead here, and when I got up near the top of the trailhead, I took a quick screenshot of my fitness tracker, and it was showing 31 floors of elevation. We're by the Nature Center, and next to the Nature Center is a historic cabin, and we'll take you on a real quick look inside so you can see that. And this is where we'll wrap up our video. We want to say thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks.